In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own community in Roblox. So first, just head over to the Roblox website and make sure you're signed in to your Roblox account. Click on the navigation bar in the top left hand side and then select communities in the list. Now to go and create your own community, click on create community and then just give your community a name. You can also add a description for your community, and this is going to help other people find your community. Then we're going to scroll down to the emblem section, and from here you can go and upload a logo for your community. So click on select an image from your computer and you can just go and upload an image that you already have saved. Scroll down to settings at the bottom and decide whether you want this group as public so anyone can join the group, or you can set this to manual approval, and basically all that means is before someone can join your community, you'll need to manually approve each of the members. Now to create the community, we can click on this Robux button down here, and as you can see, this will cost 100 Robux to create. So once you're happy with this, just go and press purchase, and that's how you go and create communities in Roblox. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.